all of the things I have, and these are oh, sorry. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Imagination Tech. So last weekend we went skin diving, me and my fiance went skin diving with Experience Philippines and Skin Dive PH, and I've just about finished editing that video, so by the time you're watching this it's probably already up on YouTube, and I really do hope you check that out. It's really great. It's a really great weekend of learning how to do skin diving. And if you have no idea what skin diving is about, I will be posting a link up here, and I really do hope you check out this short video about our skin diving experience, our skin diving 101 experience. It's a rookie program, so even for non-swimmers like my fiance Carla, she was not comfortable in open water. She wasn't even comfortable in a pool with deep water. So just going through that weekend, she gained that confidence in swimming in open water, and having that confidence in actually doing skin dive. So that was really great. I wanted to show you about all of the things I have, and these are drone drops. For the past 2 months, I have had two boxes delivered to me each month, and I have not had a chance to. Well, I did take a peek. I did open some of these boxes and take a peek at what's inside, but I've never had the chance to actually go through the contents. So these are the September and October boxes, and let's just go quickly through them, because I've never had the chance to actually go through these boxes. I'm looking for the September box because one of it is all right. I think this is a September box. We'll just open it. Yep. All right. So let's go through first the September drone drop. So obviously you get these nice drone drop stickers. First, for the September box, it was a partnership. It was a partnership with Helio Spring. So if you can see that, that's the Helio Spring logo, and very nice stickers, very unique stickers made by Supertech, and you're not gonna find this anywhere else, I think. And obviously they have the Spring Helio flight controller, and this is a really nice flight controller because it has a it has an F3 coprocessor which just handles filtering for the gyro, so you get really nice filtered performance from your gyro, which gives you that butter smooth flight performance from your flight controller. And obviously they pair it with Butterflight flight firmware, and they work closely with Butterflight, so you give you that smoothest flight with this with the Helio Spring flight controller. And it's not the oh my god battery grip, but these are Team Black Sheep battery grip pads. And I have just put in some 3M silicone rubber grip pads on Sierra, and those are just the standard 3M, but I'm not sure how. I heard great things about these grip pads. I heard that your battery's not gonna let go of your batteries. So you have this 2.5mm hex driver. So in the previous box, I think it was the August drone drop box, we got the 1.5, I believe, the 1.5mm hex driver. We have some TBS solder. Oops, what was that? I think those are some more stickers. Yep, one more sticker over there. And there's another smaller sticker here. Solder me, baby. And we have TBS solder, and we have an FX battery strap, and we have these T5051 Cyclone props, which is quite a departure since the previous drone drops have almost all been HQ props. So for September we got the Dowprop Cyclone props this time. So let's check out the October drone drop, which I just got like a couple of days ago. So I have been waiting for this because this September drone drop, this is the October drone drop, is in partnership with Newbie Drone, and you get this really nice Newbie Drone neck strap, as well as this Newbie Drone Max Comfort pads. And it's perfect because of the Fat Shark I have. It has really worn face pads or goggle foams. So I have been waiting for this basically. So yep. so it comes with 3 pairs of props as usual. Again, it's they're back to their HQProp, so I guess the Prop Cyclones were just a temporary thing. But this is the HQ Durable Prop 5.1 by 4.1, and I guess they ran out of green props because they usually give you a single color, but you know, I got this green props and light blue props. That's fine. That's not a problem for me. We got some nice glass ND filters here for your GoPro. I don't have a GoPro, and my Runcam 3 is in a can of rice right now. And there's a newbie drone battery strap as well. And here is a nice Typhoon 4-in-1 ESC. Oops, from Airbot, which is great because I also have another Airbot flight controller which I intend to put into you know, you remember Damon? Yeah, I'm gonna put something in him. That didn't sound right. And of course we have this Team Black Sheep sticker pack with the September drone drop. So I'm just gonna put this back in here now. Yeah, so so I have a lot of stuff. So obviously I just showed you 1 box each of September and October, and I have 2 boxes each, but I've already trimmed down my subscription because I am saving up for a wedding. So you know, I'm trying to cut costs where I can, and that also means that I need to sell off some of these quads. That this is Shara, by the way, and this is another quad that I have that I got with when I bought Shara with the Fat Shark and everything. So this is an extra quad I have. It flies great. It has T-Motor Air motors, and it has KISS FC, KISS version 1 FC. So it flies really nice. However, I really intend to sell this off, so I really don't need another quad. Well, if no one has come up to buy it yet, so right now it is serving as my secondary quad. Not that I have ever needed it as a secondary quad yet. The replacement arms for Damon has also arrived. So here's the old Damon frame. So I've got the replacement arms. So you know, and I have this Omnibus F4 V5 from one of the previous drone drops. I think it was July or something, or August. I can't really remember, but I do have a video of that. I'll just put a link up there if you are interested in that. But yeah, I'm gonna have, so aside from this purple 215 quad, I'm gonna be rebuilding this Martian 3. So I'm going to basically have 2 backups. So that is until I get to sell these quads. And you know, I also have replacement blank, you know, what do you call this? It's a blank sandwich plate for Mitch. You remember Mitch? So you know, even if I get snowed in, I have a lot of builds up on my plate. I just need some time to do them, actually. So I also have a tiny 8X just waiting to be built. So I do have a lot of projects upcoming, and I just really need to have some time to actually do them. So yeah, so I do have a Sharpie page, so do check that out. I'm gonna have all of these extra quads that I have, and all of the extra stuff that I have. Even I even have some, you know, some 3D printed stuff, some micro FPV cameras, and you will have a couple of newbie drone stuff going on in there in a little bit. But for now, it's not yet in the store. But what is in the store is free shipping and COD with one of our courier partners with Shopee. If you need it in a pinch, if you need it in a rush, there is also the Grab Express shipping option, which is very cheap. I think it's just 25 pesos, or yeah, in dollars that's that's 50 cents. So that's very, very cheap shipping, and you get your item in like 30 minutes or an hour at most. So yeah, I am doing a lot of things. You know, this YouTube channel, this doesn't really make me any money at all. So, but I really need to cut down on my costs, build up my savings. So if you would please just check out my Shopee page, I'm going to link it in the description below. I would really, really much appreciate it. And if you would buy from any of the links on my Shopee, or even on the affiliate links that I have down in this description, it points you to Banggood mostly. But if you click on that link and buy something, even, you know, something else on Banggood, then that would be really, really much appreciated. And of course, I haven't talked about this much on my channel, but I do have a Patreon. If you appreciate what I do here on the channel, if you, you know, I just want to bring, I just want to, you know, connect to those people who are still wanting to go into this hobby, or even just starting out in this hobby. You know, we're all beginners at some point, so I really want to bring more people into this hobby, and I'm hoping that some of my videos are inspiring you to, you know, to build your drones, or even just get out, travel, and visit places, because those are the two things I love doing right now. So yeah, I do have a Patreon link, so if, you know, even $1 would help a lot if you would like to support that, and you know, so yeah. That is it for this update for today. I'm hoping to put out a lot more videos. There's a lot on my plate, just a lot on my plate right now, but and the nearest field to me is has closed itself from outside visitors, so I don't have a field right now where I can get to easily and, you know, fly my quad, but you know, we'll find a way to make it work, and to create that, to create a lot more, you know, One Pack Wednesdays and other flight vids, and just practice. And I do have some more planned for our, you know, how not to suck at FPV series. So episode 5 and episode 6, you just have to write them and then shoot them. But yeah, that's all coming up soon. I hope within the year, because it's already November. It's November's and December's just around the corner, so it's gonna get really busy really soon. All right, so I hope you enjoy this channel. I really do hope you click on that like button, because that helps a lot. You know, it helps the YouTube algorithm spread this video to more viewers, so more people like you can subscribe to me, hopefully. All right, so anyway, that has been it. Please do make sure to click on like, click on subscribe, and as always, keep building and keep flying.